Hi everyone, this is Rana and welcome to a new light up card video tutorial. In today's video, we will create a circular card featuring Chibitronics LED white stickers and copper tape along with Never Stop Looking Up stamp set from the new summer release by Magengo Designs. So let's go ahead and create it together. First, I designed a very simple circuit in the Silhouette software. Then I used my Silhouette border machine to cut all the templates. I cut the battery holder twice and I am stacking them together using a liquid adhesive so I will get a thick board which has the same thickness of the battery. Now let's build our circuit by using the copper tape and at the end attaching our LED stickers. Time to build the background and add some colors to our card. For the background, I am creating a night sky background and I am using for that salty ocean, chip sapphire, black soot, distress oxide inks. Of the camera, I used Magengo Designs grass borders die cut set to cut 2 layers of the grass from 2 different shades of green cardstock. time to finish our card by adding all the stamps that I have already stamped using Memento Tuxedo black ink and color it with the Ohoho alcohol brush markers. And this is our card for today, featuring Chibitronics LED white stickers and copper tape along with Never Stop Looking Up Magengo Design stamp set. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching and have an adorable day. Bye!